Contreras. Next, let's have Miss Jolene Contreras with Jasper Vitales. Next up, let's have Jamila Sheen Roro and John Hoover with Igo Magallanes. Mary Joy Contreras with Justine Quinn.
Oink.
And Risha Contreras with Chase Razel Contreras. There you go. Oh, very good. Yes. Wow, come on, everybody, let's give them another hand. Come on. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our debutante on our first gift. Here is Miss Len Ferrer. Palakpakan naman natin si Miss Len Ferrer. Okay? Okay, before you give that gift, you just have to share your thoughts and your words of love. Hi, hello. And of course, right after this ceremony, your dinner follows next. Okay, go on then.
Happy birthday, Lisa. Ang bilis ng panahon, marami sa mga ngayon. Siyempre, wish ko sa'yo, tapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Kasi para sa'yo yun, sa future mo. Yun naman ang gusto namin mga magulang. Basta yun, enjoy your day. Happy 18th birthday.
Hello, kay Miss Lynn Carlos na
Ayun, happy birthday. God first, and then, lagi mo iisipin yung gagawin mo. Huwag mo susundin yung puso mo, ha? Susundin mo ko yung tao. Happy birthday.
Okay, maraming salamat, Sherilyn Ababa. Next up is Marian. Please hold still ha, right after we share your...
Go, Raisa.
Raisa.
Happy birthday. And you will have a successful life. Upcoming.
That's right.
Raisa, happy birthday. Alam ko, nararamdaman mo ngayon. Malungkot sa mga... Ayun, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Alagaan mo si mama at papa mo. Alam ko, matalino ka. Alam mo yung tama at mali.
Oh, thank you.
Sa lahat. Nag-iisang tita mo kay Mama Sarah.
Oh,
Happy birthday. Alam ko sa lahat.
it's okay.
Happy birthday sa pretty pamangkin ko. Wish ko na matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Lalo na yung and sweet. May God bless you always. Lagi may
Oh, maraming salamat sa iyo, Miss Daisy Castilla Ferrer. Where are you, Roma Contreras? Oh, hi Roma. Hello, on stage.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Wish ko matupad lahat ng wish mo, syempre. And kung katulad lagi na sinasabi ko sa'yo, nandito lang si tita, kung kailangan mo ng kausap. I love you.
Okay. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Roma Contreras. Where is Patrick?
I am his grand Lola.
Ito, dito po.
Sad na konti. But, yung sadness turned into happiness because God is good. Really, really good.
That's right.
No, you know, tama yung ano. Itayo mo yung stand natin na doon. I-graduate kayo ng college. That's all. Kasi, yan yung wish.
Actually, never kong in-imagine na magiging friends tayo just because tumawa si Ken. Pero I'm so lucky and grateful that we did. At ang friendship sister.
Yung pagtuturo mo, thank you kasi tinutulungan mo yung mga bata sa CI Manila. Tinuturuan mo sila, pagpatuloy mo lang. Gusto mo naman maging teacher sa future, right? Yun lang. Wishing you more happiness, blessings.
Uy, si ate pa na yung ano.
And
Pass.
You, Grace Pasig. Okay, Cassandra Megumi Orillo. Okay, from the same group. Okay. Maraming salamat. Okay, let's get ready to enjoy your dinner right after this serenity.
Saan pa kayo sit umuwi? Saan pa kayo umuwi? Saan pa kayo umuwi?
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Lisa. Welcome to adulthood. Wishing you this year brings you happiness, growth, and good memories. Yun lang.
Oh, thank you so much, Cassandra. Janelle Benatapa. Where is Janelle?
Parang Visayas. Oo.
Okay. Laking babae nito si Janelle. Ay, ano, parang kung tayo, hindi rin ako lalaki.
Happy birthday! Yung gift ko sa'yo, feeling ko kasi si Risa yung tipo ng tao na hindi masyado nagsasabi. So, yun, sana maging safe space mo to sa plans mo and kung mahilig ka man mapagsabihan. So, I really admire kung paano ka kung gaano siya ka-jolly and positive palagi. And sobrang talino po ni Risa. Sobrang gaan din niya kasama, lalo na nung mga time na nagtuturo pa kami. Yan, sana ikaw naman this time, sarili mo naman this time. Para magkaroon ka ng place na maging really hope na yung gift na to maging safe place para sa'yo, lalo na sa mga araw na gusto mo lang huminga at paging totoo sa nararamdaman. Deserve mo rin mapakinggan kahit sarili mo. So, deserve mo yung safe, comfort, and kindness na binibigay mo sa ibang tao. Huwag mo nga hayaang mawala.
Oh, that's good. Maraming salamat, Janelle Benatapa. At this point, let's have Leo June Asotes. That is Leo June. Oh, di ba? So, mabuhay ang LGBT talaga. Ito na, kompleto. Okay.
Hola, girl.
Wala kang.
I just want to say happy birthday, Lisa. I am really grateful that I got to know you and we became really good friends. And I just want to say, I just want to love you. You're the nice chapter of your life, especially now you're studying in adult. And now
Ito sa'yo, sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Ay, makakapagtagpos ka na pag-aaral.
Ano pakiulit na? Mas maluto pa rin madali kayo natin. O sige, niyakan natin. Okay, 3 more gifts to go and one of them will be coming from Haniling Bataykan. Thank you, Ruby. Thank you so much, Dave. Come on, Haniling. Yes.
Happy birthday, Risa. Grateful ako sa friendship na nabuo natin kahit na maraming naging conflict. Ayun. Diba? Tapos, ayun, sana,
Dito ba? Sige, sige. Oo, na. Sige ka.
Sana all sexy.
Okay.
Ayan! Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na thank you for inviting me.
Oh.
Salamat kasi sa aming pong circle, natutuloy lang po yung gala kasi si Risa yung
Christine Trian, and to complete our set of 18 gifts, first is Ace Contreras. Diba? Ace Contreras.
iPhone. So, una,
Una pa lang.
It's okay.
say happy birthday, welcome to Legality.
Ano bang problema mo?
Hindi, ngayong 18 ka na, legal age tama, pwede ka lang makulong. Pwede na tayong mag-bar. Beginning aside, si Lisa yung unang pamangkin sa pamilya. And
Everybody, let's extend our warmest applause. Because, wow, ganda-ganda. Risha? Okay. Beautiful naman. Ayun taray, parang ayoko na. Ba't nasarayan ako sa tali? Okay, glad you are so
Teka lang. Teka lang.
So when you enter the room, everyone was in awe, no? Nalaman yung lovely. Gagawin muna natin ang isang mga traditional and mga meaningful ceremony like the candle blowing, the blowing out of symbolic candle ceremony. So mga kaibigan, okay, pwede magsitayo ulit tayong lahat and let's sing another happy birthday song for our birthday. Come on, all together. Yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, be sure before you blow out your candle, be sure to make your wish. Okay? You may now blow out your symbolic candle. Palakpakan naman natin. Okay, thank you. Then, Risha, you just have to go back to your official sofa. Yeah? Okay. Asya niyo po lahat. Take your seats. Thank you so much as we're about to proceed to the second part of today's celebration. Hello. Cheers! And happy birthday. You dream to that. Congratulations! On stage! Okay, maraming salamat. Thank you. Thank you very much to you. Okay? Okay. Okay, picture muna sa ating shots of
Happy birthday, legal age na ba? Alam mo na yung tama. So, but still, kailangan pa rin mag-shadow mo. Be compassionate, but no issues.
friends, matagal na po kami magkasama sa ibang industry. Okay? Ate, go!
Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, malusog at makatapos ng pag-aaral at maging mabait. Diba? Pura man ang lula niya sa tuhod.
Oh!
Pinakamagandang lula.
Yeah!
Sana lagi kang mabait sa mga kapatid mo, sa mga... At huwag kang mag-alaswas, ha? Kung mag-aaral, ang lang. Okay? Happy birthday.
Wow, thank you for your Lola.
Yes.
Okay? Thank you so much, ate. Thank you. Maraming salamat, ate Tess. And the last thing, mga...
Kung marami po sa inyo pinakakilala sa akin, pero elementary friend niya po ako. So, happy birthday. And ngayon na lang ulit tayo.
Lisa, you may now blow out your symbolic candles! Palamakan natin! Yes! Everybody! And of course, right after this, we're gonna proceed to our final ceremony, the cake cutting, and the final message of our birthday girl and her family. Yes! Go ahead, Lisa! Yes! And after that, Lisa, you have enjoyed, you may now join your family right there at the cake table para sa ating final ceremony. Thank you. Palakpakan naman natin 18 candles. Participant, thank you, girls. Picture taking muna. Isa the best no, sa kanyang buhay. And of course, right now you have the slides and pizza, you have to share it with your family. Bilang pagpapakita mo ng pasasalamat sa loob ng 18 taong pagmamahal na inuupo nila sa iyo. Okay. And that's completed today's review. So,
kay Tito Jeff sa JP Events na venue. At sa lahat po ng bubo ng JP Events mula sa host, staff, sa waiter. Maraming salamat po. Anak, mahal na mahal namin ng mama. Lahat gagawin namin para sa'yo. Sa mga kapatid mo, isasaka sa ITs. Ang kahingin ko lang sa'yo kasi mag-aaral ng mabuti. Gawin lahat hanggang makakaya ko. Para lahat ng pangarap ko sa buhay, matupad. Yun lang siguro maraming salamat. Happy birthday!
oh. Di ba sa nakikita natin mga ganitong klase o kasi makikita? Kasi, di ba talog natin kay Risa sa kanyang buong pamilya, ang pinakamasigabang palakpakan na nauupo lamang